Stop. If you solve this from left to right, your answer will be very wrong and you will get an incorrect answer. Now, assuming if you solve this, 6 subtract 3 gives you 3. And if you multiply the 2, you will have 9. This is a very incorrect answer. It is very wrong. Also, if you solve this way, 6 subtract 3 will give us 3. Multiply 6. If this multiply, we have 18. And then when you subtract 3, we have 15. This is also very wrong. The two, that's this 9 and 15, they are very incorrect. So, how do we get our answer? The perfect answer. We apply the order of operation, making use of pendants. And what is pendants? This is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. If you notice, this multiplication and division, they are on a straight line. Likewise, addition and subtraction. What does it mean? It means that multiplication and division have the same priority. That is, they are on the same level. Likewise, addition and subtraction, they have the same priority, meaning they are on the same level. So whenever you see them in an expression, you first of all, whenever you see them in an expression, you solve them from left to right. That's, if multiplication comes first, you solve it before division. If division comes first before multiplication, you solve it before you solve the multiplication. Likewise, addition and subtraction, it means if one comes first before subtraction, you solve addition first before subtraction. Likewise, if subtraction comes first before addition, you solve subtraction before addition. That means from left to right. So if we apply this pendants in this our mathematical expression, we are going to have 6 subtract 3 multiply 6 will give us 18, subtract 3. So if we solve this out, 6 subtract 18 will give us negative 12, subtract 3. Now, whenever you are adding two negative numbers, add their absolute values and always keep the negative signs. Let me repeat myself again. Whenever you are adding two negative numbers, always add their absolute values and keep the negative signs. So the absolute values here, we have 12 and we have 3. So if we add the absolute values here, it will now be 15. And then we also keep the negative sign. Therefore, our answer is negative 5. And this is the final answer. If you enjoy what we did, kindly click the subscription button, comment and share, and watch out for our next amazing and interesting video. You will really enjoy it. Thank you for watching.